Good morning guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. What is happening people? And today we have a brand new phone in the house and this one is from Infinix. Infinix is on fire guys, launching brand new budget category phones one after the other, especially in their hot lineup. And today in the house we have their all new Hot 12 Pro smartphone. And this one actually packs like pretty interesting features. It's only around like 10,000 rupees and has features like 90Hz display, octa-core CPU, 50 megapixel dual cameras are there, and also has like up to 13 gigs of RAM. And this phone is available in like couple of variants. You get like 6 plus 64 and 8 plus 128. We have the top end variant 8 plus 128 GB in the house. So this is what we'll be unboxing and talking about in this video. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me state this outer packaging and show you the box. As usual guys, Infinix Hot series come in this black and green sort of packaging, and as soon as you open it, we got the phone at the top. So I believe the phone is available in like different colors. We have the electric blue color edition today, and there you go. This is how the phone looks like. Let me just take it out of this cover. Oh boy, that actually looks pretty good at this price point. Quite premium actually. We'll just come back to this in a moment. Along with that, in the package you get 18-watt free fast charger as well, a Type-C cable for charging, and you also get some paperwork. Just make sure to read them, a SIM ejection tool, and lastly a free silicone case as well. It's a transparent silicone clear case and quality definitely looks good. And that is it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the phone and talk about the design and the build quality. Okay, initial impressions, phone looks quite beautiful at this price point guys. Doesn't look like a budget category phone at all. So let me give you like a physical overview and walk around the phone. On the front, the phone comes with a 6.6-inch HD plus 90Hz display, and as you can see, phone actually comes with like a pre-installed screen guard from the factory. Going to the top, you have like an 8 megapixel selfie camera, and that's it on the front side. Now going to the side, look at the phone design guys, complete flat edge design over here, and definitely looks good build quality I can say. You've got your power button and volume rocker just above that. Quality of the buttons is also nice. To the top there's nothing over here, no secondary noise cancellation microphone, and on the left you got the SIM card tray, and looks like it's a triple card slot guys, supports both nano SIMs and also a micro SD card. And on the bottom you got your usual stuff, Type-C port for charging, single down firing speaker is there, headphone jack is also there, that is pretty good, and your primary microphone. That's it, our complete overview on the phone. And here's how the phone looks from the back side. Oh boy, initial impressions, as I've told you guys, phone looks quite beautiful and actually like premium design at this price point. Look at this, it's got like a dual tone color scheme. Most of the body is made in like matte and has this radial sort of design at the cameras, and look at those massive camera rings. Primary is a 50 megapixel camera, secondary one is a depth sensing, and you do have like LED flash just beside that. And yes, it also comes with like a rear fingerprint scanner as well. Overall build quality of the phone is also nice, and body looks like it's made of polycarbonate material. And forgot about the battery, it comes with a 5000 mAh battery. I'll just quickly set up the phone and then be right back to continue the video. The phone is all good to go, and I've also set up this fingerprint reader. So let's quickly put that to a test and see how it performs. Hey, not bad. Pretty decent actually. Look at this. As you can see, Fingerprint Reader was doing a good job in unlocking the phone most of the times. No complaints at this price point. And there you go, this is how the display on the phone looks like. I've told you right, it comes with like a 6.6-inch HD plus, and on top of that, best part is it's got like a smooth 90Hz refresh rate. Bezels are also like reasonably thin on the sides and the top, but on the bottom you do have a bit of chin, but theek at this price point. Anyways, moving on, talking about the software details. So Infinix Hot 12 Pro comes with like Android version 12 out of the box and has Infinix XOS skin running on top of it. So let me just quickly head over to the settings and show you the software info and all that. As you can see, it runs on Android version 12. And talking about the storage part as well, this is the 128 GB variant, right? And out of the box you get around like 120 GB of usable space, which is like plenty guys. If that is not sufficient, you can even expand using a micro SD card as well, so plenty of storage available. And that is pretty much it. And initial impressions guys, as you can see, phone looks like pretty smooth and fluidic, right? I mean, the app openings, transitions, everything feels like quite nice over here. Doesn't feel like a budget category phone. So we'll talk about the performance and talk about Unisoc T616 octa-core CPU as well in a moment. So before that, now what I'll do is I'll quickly play some video on YouTube, and then we'll check out the display quality and sound quality as well and talk about that. 2022 is almost coming to an end, and it's that time of the year where you can expect next gen PC hardware. Yep, so next gen PC hardware, the RTX 4000 series, Intel 13th gen platform, Ryzen 7000. So many things are about to launch, guys, and this is going to be one hell of an year. And I'm telling you, right, it's gonna be like a revolutionary. That is what I can say. You guys saw the display quality, right? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you'd ask me, display quality is like pretty good at this price point. There's decent amount of detail, though not as crisp and clear as a 1080p panel, but TK, it's not that noticeable also. Everything is like easily readable, guys. Look at this. And talking about colors, colors are also nice, decent. It is producing like good and accurate colors only. And I believe the panel is TFT LCD. They haven't specified anywhere. And white balance, color balance, everything were like on point, guys. And talking about brightness, it's got like 480 nits of brightness, guys, and it can go like quite bright enough, so you won't have an issue even in like outdoor situations as well. Overall, guys, for this price point you will be satisfied and happy with the phone's display. And moving on and talking about the sound, as I've told you, it's got like a single down firing mono speaker, and quality was actually pretty decent. You guys heard it right. It was producing like crisp and clear audio, and clarity was nice, and distortion was also minimum even at max volume as well. Now comes the main part, like how's the performance of this phone. So I've been using it since morning, right, and let me tell you, so far on a day-to-day basis it's TK. This phone is powered by like Unisoc's T616 octa-core CPU based on a 12 nanometer process. And see, if you're getting this phone for like a normal day-to-day usage and you just want to use like social media apps or your regular office works and stuff, then it is like more than enough, guys, because it's got like a smooth 90 Hz display, right? Everything feels like so smooth on it. Definitely fluidic experience, guys. I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters so far in at least day-to-day usage, and opening and closing of apps, transitions, everything very nice. And coming to gaming, see, I'd say this is not like a heavily gaming related phone. You can do a bit of gaming, you can play games like BGMI, PUBG, but only at like minimum graphics, guys, low or medium, not more than that, if you want like decent good frame rates. But apart from that, anyways, if you still want me to do like a gaming test or like a performance benchmarks or anything, share your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know the games as well, and I'll do that in my review video. This is just like an unboxing and initial impressions on the phone. And before we actually end the video, let me also quickly open up the camera app and show you. I've told you, right, phone packs like dual AI cameras. Primary one is a 50 megapixel camera, secondary one is a depth sensing. And see, to be honest, I've used so many Infinix phones, right? Infinix really need to focus a bit on their camera side, guys. Their camera processing, algorithm could have been a bit better at this price point. And I've took a couple of samples and I felt the photo sample quality was like pretty mediocre, guys, at this price point. Anyways, I'll leave some samples at the end of this video. Just have a look at them. And that is pretty much it, guys. Our quick unboxing and initial impressions on Infinix brand new Hot 12 Pro. It's a pretty solid budget category phone, I'd say. You're getting very nice specs over here. You're getting a 90 Hz display, 50 megapixel dual cameras are there, octa-core CPU, and up to 13 GB RAM, guys. Virtually expandable up to 5 GB on this particular variant. And coming to battery also, you're having like 5000 milliampere battery with 18 watt fast charging. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this phone in the comment section down below? And lastly, talking about the price. So the Hot 12 Pro pricing starts at 10,999 rupees for the base variant, which is 6 plus 64. And for the 8 plus 128 GB variant, it's 1000 rupees extra. So 11,999. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. And that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about this model. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.